If you want to download your account data from Epic Games, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information securely saved. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Locate data privacy options. In the account settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or data management. This section typically contains options for managing your personal data and account information. Step 4. Request data download. Within the data privacy options, find the option to request a download of your account data. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm your request. You may need to verify your identity through email or two-factor authentication. Step 5. Check your email for confirmation. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Epic Games. This email will provide further instructions and may include a link to download your data once it is ready. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully requested your account data from Epic Games. Make sure to keep your downloaded data secure and review it for any necessary information.